Hey YouTube, so I didn't film an intro, but the materials you're going to need is a rat tail comb, some sort of gem. I prefer shining gem, but this all they had. And you're going to also want to section off your hair to make the process go faster. For this hairstyle, you're going to need any type of synthetic curly hair, and you're also going to need some braiding hair. It doesn't matter what brand. In this part, you can see me getting shining gem and putting it on her part just to make the braids look neater at the roots. You're also going to use shine and gem throughout the whole braid for a neater look. So this is how you get the Bohemian look. You just take a section of the curly hair out the braid, and then you continue to braid. So somehow you're going to want to get the curly hair out your way. If you have any clips, I suggest you use clips. We didn't have any, so what I did was I used my mouth. This is my friend, so she didn't have a problem with it. If I was doing somebody else's hair, I wanted to use my mouth.
Girl, bring it back.
So once you reach the part where you want the braiding hair to end and where you want the curly hair to start, what you're going to do is take a small section of the braiding hair and you're going to wrap it around itself a couple of times. Or you can tie a knot in it a couple of times. It really doesn't matter.
Hey girl, bring it back.
This is the part where we secure the hair. So to do this, what you're going to need is a lighter, and you're just going to put the lighter on the part where you wrap the braiding hair around itself. Or you can use nail glue. It really doesn't matter. If you use the lighter, make sure you roll it in the palm of your hands a couple of times, but make sure you blow on it before you do.
Play this game too. How would you like it if I did the same to you, yeah.
After you get the hair secure, what you're going to do is take the remaining braiding hair that's sticking out and you're just going to cut it. If you need to, after you're done cutting the rest of the braiding hair, what you can do is trim up the curly hair a little bit, just so it won't be so bulky. So this is how you get the curly hair at the root. So what you do is you take the hair and you're going to have a short section and a longer section. So you tie a knot around the root of your braid 4 to 5 times, maybe even more, just to make sure it's really on there. So after you get done tying the knots, what you're going to do is take the short side that's hanging and you're going to cut it.
Okay, so right here I'm wrapping the curly piece around the ponytail, and then I'm twisting the end of that curly piece onto their real hair. And then I'm going to begin braiding.
Okay, so now that you guys know what you're doing, I'm going to speed up the process. I didn't get to film me finishing her hair, but all you want to do at the end is add some mousse and some hair jewelry. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.